Okay, let's do our sounds and words for our new stories, Bugs, 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 and Slug Must Nap. Let's start off with some sight words. Some of these you'll already know. This word is tell. Let's say it together 3 times. Tell, tell, tell. This word is well. Let's say it together 3 times. Well, well, well. That's a multiple meaning word. It can mean a hole in the ground that you get water out of. It can also mean that you are healthy, not sick, which I hope that you are well. This word is some. Let's say it together. Some, some, some. Probably already knew that one. I bet you already know this one too. Them. Let's say it together 3 times. Them, them, them. I bet you already know this one. With. Let's say it together 3 times. With, with, with. Lots of sight words this week. This word you probably know too. Where. Let's say it together. Where, where, where. You always hear me start singing when I see that song. Where, oh, where has my little dog gone? Okay, this word is here. Let's say it together 3 times. Here, here, here. Probably already know this one too. That. Let's say it together 3 times. That, that, that. This word is your. Let's say it together 3 times. Your, your, your. And this one is who. Let's say it together 3 times. Who, who, who. It's not the owl. This is, oh, that's the owl. Who, who. If I had 1 O, it would be ho, ho, like Santa Claus says. Okay, let's review. Ready, begin. Tell, well, some, them, with, where, here, that, your, who. Your turn. Okay, let's do our next words. So we're still working on some of our blends. St. This is the blend st. And there are letters before the st. Probably already know this word. Oh, sorry, my apologies. Got carried away there, didn't I? Sound. Sound. Ah. Sound. St. Let's blend. Fast. Word. Fast. We also have some st words where there's sound, there are letters after st. Let's work on these. This is sound. St. Sound. Eh. Sound. Sound. S. Let's blend. St. S. Word. Stems. Sound. St. Sound. I. Sound. CK says k. Sound. S. Let's blend. St. I. K. S. Word. Sticks. We also have sl. Sound. Sl. Sound. Sound. G. Let's blend. Slug. Word. Slug. All right, let's review. Ready, begin. Fast. Stems. Sticks. slug. Ooh, we're reading some big words already. Go ahead, your turn. Let's do some more. This is another blend. Sn. Sound. Sn. Sound. Ah. Sound. G. Let's blend. Snag. Word. Snag. That's when you get caught. Maybe when you're walking by a bush, your shirt gets caught on it. It gets snagged on it. You could also get a snag in your clothes where it messes up the material a little bit. This is sp. Sound, sp. Sound, ah. Sound, t. Let's blend. Sp, ot. Word, spot. Let's review these words. Ready, begin. Snag, spot. Your turn. Right. Now, this week we're also working on sounds that they've changed. The letter sounds change when you put them together. So this is sh. SH says sh. So sound, sh. Sound, eh. 2 L's, this is l. Sound, l. Let's blend. Sh, L. Word, shell. And we've got more words that have 2 L's. 2 L's together say l. Sound, t. Sound, eh. Sound, l. Let's blend. T, eh, l. Word, tell. Sound, w. Sound, eh. Sound, l. Let's blend. W, L. Word, well. Sound, sh. Sound, eh. Sound, l. Let's blend. Sh, L. Word, shell. Ooh. See any rhyming words anywhere in there? Also, this is another one. You put C and K together, it says k. Let's do some words here. Sound, st. Sound, I. Sound, k. Sound, s. Let's blend. St, I, k, s. Word, sticks. Sound, r. Sound, ah. Sound, k. Let's blend. R, ah, k. Word, rock. Let's review. Ready, begin. Shell, tell, well, shell, sticks, rock. Your turn. I think there might be some good rhyming words on that page. Okay, we have just a couple of ones that'll be super duper easy for you because you are masters at these sounds already. This sound is I. Sound, z. Sound, I. Sound, p. Sound, s. Let's blend. Z, I, p, s. Word, zips. Sound, s. Sound, I. Sound, p. Sound, s. Let's blend. S, I, p, s. Word, sips. You also know your ah sound. Sound l. Sound ah. Sound g. Sound s. Let's blend l, ah, g, s. Word, logs. Sound p. Sound ah. Sound t. Let's blend p, ah, t. Word, pot. We also have a couple of ah words. Sound n. Sound ah. Sound p. Let's blend n, ah, p. Word, nap. Sound n. Sound ah. Sound b. Sound s. Let's blend n, ab, s. Word, nabs. Let's review. Ready, begin. Zips, sips, logs, pot, nap, nabs. Ooh, there might be rhyming words on that page too. All right, so looks like you are ready to go to read Bugs, Bugs, Bugs and Slug Must Nap. Have fun.